Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This your girl Boss Lady, come back with another video. And in this video, guys, I am starting my Etsy shop. So this is my setup for my office so far, and I just want to bring y'all along on my journey. So this is like the beginning. So I have my inventory coming in. I'm trying to organize. So why not just show y'all the before our just the before. Let's get into the video, guys. All right, guys, so we're going to start right here. We're going to start right here. So basically right here is where my Cricut will be. And then the first row right here is my cardstock, which I have color cardstock that's coming. We'll fill up the rest of these. And then the second row is where my laminating pouches is, and my laminator will go. And then at the bottom, I just have all of my vinyl and my cutters. So we come around right here, and this desk right here is basically where I will be planning, making stickers, creating, planning. This is where I record at. And so we just have a bunch of stuff that is under here that is kind of organized, but we getting there. So on top of my desk, I just have this organizer that keeps my budget planners and other planners up there. um I have these cute little keychains that I put on my planners. And then down here I have a bunch of keychains that is going in my first budget boxes. So stay tuned for that. And so I have these two pencil holders that hold like markers and pens and stuff like that. And then I just have my computer and mouse and stuff. And then I have my Rolo. So I have my thermal printer. And then I'm gonna sit down. You get under here. I just have like a little basket for trash. I have my printer. I have a notebook and a file with important information. I have some um, ink that needs to be replaced. And then in these is just regular copy paper. And then I have some stuff over here. And then this is where I keep my change at. And then this is my budget planner. And then some other little whatnots in here. So that is this desk. And then you come over here, and this is where I will be shipping my orders, and shipping orders and stuff like that will be done over here. So I really don't have nothing. I was organizing the stuff, but up here I have some stickers. I got some Boss Lady stickers, some thank you cards, um some sticky notes, and just little shipping supplies. And then I don't have nothing. Uh-oh, focus. Come on. Focus. But I don't have nothing in these. There we go. In these. And then I just I have some keychains. See, you don't want me to be great because I'm recording, but I am looking for something else because this is not sturdy enough. But I have some keychains, and then the last two I just need to go through and organize. And then you come to the shipping desk. And I try to keep the top part clean so I have room. But I have, like, in this cut right here, some scissors and this little stuff that I can grab. And then these is going to be freebies when people place orders. So it's just some keychains that they can add to their planner. And then we have stuff that's in the desk. So this is pens and highlighters for my budget kit. And then this is some bags. And then these cute little notebooks will be going in my budget kits. And then you have this 3-shelf right here, which at the bottom I keep Bubba Mellers. This is Bubba Mellers in boxes. I got Poly Mellers coming, so Poly Mellers are going here. I don't have anything in this. And then these little cute little boxes is going to be for my budget kits, but I will customize the boxes. And then I got some more boxes. Back there is beads and stuff, because I do create my own pens. So that's some supplies to make my own pens. This is some more shipping stuff that I can use. And then in here is some washi tape that will be going in the kits. And my shipping scale, a calculator, and some batteries. So this is this section right here. Like I said, this is kind of the beginning of me opening up an Etsy shop. So this is where I will be working at. And I really hope that y'all enjoy the video. And until my next video, guys, thanks.